Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line down there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just use this green line for a new location. Sure, the current location of the line is still relevant to the chart, but it's just not, it doesn't really matter right now just because the price has made such a nice move upwards. And, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas of support that was formed today, and this is what I would call the ideal level, is right up here at $70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay up above $70, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward on the bull's part. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, and I know I talked about this on Friday's video, but I'm going to continue to talk about it because it makes life so much easier. But if you care about just the grand scheme of things and measuring the overall health of the trend, just keep an eye on that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, like I said, to measure the health of the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. You had a great example of it right there where the price pulled back to it and then bounced, very beautifully off of it. So again, assuming you care about just the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% control the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, made themselves pretty apparent today, and that's right up there around the $78 mark. You can see on about 3 different occasions, maybe 4 if you count the final 30 minutes. The price got right up around the general vicinity of $78, so that'll certainly be public enemy number 1 going forward, where if there's going to be any sort of breakout and continuation, that is a level that will have to be broken. All in all, though, just keep on building higher bases, stay up above that purple line, and just sit back and let the rest of the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.